As promised, we're back with Brian Zumhoff from Ideal Window, Doors, and Siding. And now we're talking window replacement. Brian, tell us what we're looking at here.
Well, this is an older home, probably from the 50s, 60s, and we have some obvious deterioration. Many times we'll see this where the sills can actually rot out right underneath the window. And so there's a number of different telltale signs that the homeowner notices that will indicate that they need a new window. And they could be really drafty. They're noticing a lot of air coming in underneath them. They could notice that their insulated glass in them could be fogging up. They have seal failures. There's a lot of different areas that need to be looked at, and then they'll notice that it's time for a new window.
So Brian, what's the process then for your crew as you come in and do this window replacement?
They're going to pull this trim off. This was custom aluminum brake metal. That's all going to be removed. They're going to pull out the old window. We'll clear out the opening down to the original rough opening where the studs are, and then we'll prep it and put in the new window.
All right, I know your crew's ready to go. We'll step out and let them get to work.
Absolutely.
Brian, the window looks great. Your crew did a terrific job.
Yeah, we really appreciate these guys. They're highly skilled, well-trained. They do excellent work, and we appreciate our crews every day.
How do you help the homeowner decide in terms of what kind of replacement window to use?
We come in really as a consultation, and we really assess the entire home, go in and examine and inspect every window, and give them a truthful, upfront, assessment of what needs to be replaced.
So, I have a replacement window here. I could do that. I don't have to do all my windows at once.
No. Many times we'll make a determination that there's just a few that need to be done, and we're not interested in replacing everything that doesn't need to be.
Weatherization, caulking, glazing, all that can only go so far. Sometimes I've got to do the replacement window. You've got to have that straight up talk.
That is true. Yeah, we're going to give them an honest, upfront appraisal and tell them what needs to be done. We are authorities in it for 32 years.
You bet. Looking at this, let's talk a little bit about the longevity, energy savings, and the aesthetic appeal now that come with the new window. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, the windows that we use here, this is a vinyl window. We do vinyl and wood and fiberglass. We have solutions for whatever homeowners may choose for their home. This window is a low-E argon high-efficiency window. The low-E argon is really important. It's in all of the replacement windows that we do. Low-E stands for low emissivity, and low emissivity is a metal flake coating on the inside surface of the glass. It reflects the heat you're trying to retain in your house in the winter, and it keeps you cooler in the summer. And with argon, that's also an inert gas that further boosts the energy efficiency.
Well, we like that, the energy comfort, or the energy savings, but also the comfort factor that she's going to experience with that new window.
Yeah, absolutely. This window is a huge upgrade for the homeowner, and she's going to enjoy years of comfort.
How about longevity for a replacement window like this?
Typically, you can get 30 to 50 years out of it if the homeowner just does some minimal maintenance and keeps them neat and clean.
Brian, you gave us a lot of great information on replacement windows. Thank you for walking us through that. And if you'd like more energy-saving ideas for your home, go to PowerHouseTV.com.